Welcome to Pickle Paradise. This is where the magic happens, where humble cucumbers are transformed into the delicious pickles you love. Welcome to the Cucumber Pickles Mega Factory. Here we take pride in every step of the process, ensuring that each pickle is perfect. Get ready for an adventure. From the moment the cucumbers arrive, our dedicated team works tirelessly to bring you the best pickles. We're about to see how cucumbers become those crunchy pickles you love. It's a fascinating journey that combines tradition with cutting-edge technology. It's a wild ride from farm to jar. Our cucumbers are carefully harvested at the peak of ripeness to ensure maximum flavor. You'll be amazed by the process. Watch as these cucumbers are washed, sorted and prepared for pickling with precision and care. It all starts with a simple cucumber. But don't let that fool you. There's a lot that goes into making the perfect pickle. But don't let that fool you. These cucumbers are nurtured from the very beginning to ensure they meet our high standards. These cucumbers are destined for greatness. Hand-picked by our skilled farmers, they are the foundation of our delicious pickles. They're going to be transformed through a meticulous process. Each cucumber is turned into a crunchy, flavorful pickle. They'll become the star ingredient in your favorite snacks. From sandwiches to burgers, our pickles add that perfect tangy crunch. Get ready for a wild ride. The journey from cucumber to pickle is fast-paced and exciting, with every step carefully monitored. We're talking top-notch cucumbers here. Only the best cucumbers make it through our rigorous selection process. Only the best will do for our pickles. Our team ensures that each cucumber meets our high standards before it's pickled. It's about quality, you see. Every pickle is a testament to our commitment to excellence. We want the crunchiest, freshest pickles around. That's why we go the extra mile in every step of the process. And it all starts at the farm. Our journey begins with the best cucumbers, grown with care and dedication. So join us as we explore the incredible journey from farm to jar. Welcome to Pickle Paradise. The sun is shining, the air is fresh. It's a new day on the farm and the promise of a bountiful harvest fills the air. We're out in the cucumber fields. Rows upon rows of green vines stretch out before us, each one a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers. This is where it all begins. Tiny seeds planted in the rich soil, nurtured with care and patience, grow into thriving cucumber plants. Farmers work hard to grow the best cucumbers. They water, weed and watch over their crops, ensuring each plant gets the attention it needs. They care for their crops with passion. Every leaf, every vine is inspected with a keen eye, ensuring the health and vitality of the plants. These cucumbers are their pride and joy. The vibrant green fruits hanging from the vines are a symbol of their hard work and dedication. The farmers hand-pick the cucumbers. Each one is carefully selected by hand, ensuring only the best make it to the next stage. They select only the perfect ones. Size and shape matter. No blemishes allowed. Each cucumber is examined for its quality, ensuring it meets the high standards set by the farmers. These cucumbers are the cream of the crop. They are the result of months of hard work and dedication, and they are ready for the next step in their journey. They are ready for their big transformation. These cucumbers are special. They are about to embark on a journey that will turn them into something even more delightful. They are destined for pickle greatness. In the factory, they are washed, sorted, and prepared for the pickling process. They will soon be transformed into crunchy, tangy treats. The cucumbers are carefully jarred, ready to become the delicious pickles we all love. But first, they must be carefully harvested. Each cucumber is a testament to the farmer's dedication and hard work, and they are harvested with the same care and attention that went into growing them. The cucumbers are picked. Now, they need to get to the factory. And fast. Freshness is key. We don't want to waste any time. Trucks are loaded with care. They are ready to roll. The journey begins. The trucks hit the road. They speed towards the Cucumber Pickles Mega Factory. It's a race against time. These cucumbers have a date with destiny. The drivers know the importance of speed. They navigate the roads with expertise. Every minute counts. The cucumbers must arrive fresh and crisp. The trucks arrive at the factory. The air is buzzing with excitement. The cucumbers are ready for their grand entrance, but first they must pass inspection. Only the best will make the cut. The cucumbers are unloaded with care. They are placed on conveyor belts. Trained inspectors examine each one. They are looking for imperfections. Size, shape, color, everything matters. Only the finest cucumbers will do. We have high standards. We want to create the perfect pickles. Section 5. Bubble baths and sorting hats for cucumbers. The cucumbers have passed inspection. They're ready for their spa day. Well, not exactly a spa, but they do get a thorough washing. Cleanliness is important. We want those pickles to be sparkling clean. The cucumbers go for a spin in a giant bubble bath. Special brushes gently scrub away any dirt. They come out squeaky clean and ready for the next step. Now it's time to sort. The cucumbers are separated by size. This ensures that every jar of pickles is consistent. It's all about precision. Section 6. From cucumbers to pickle shapes, the big chop. It's time for a makeover. The cucumbers are about to transform. They will take on their iconic pickle shapes. Get ready for the big chop. Sharp blades slice and dice with precision. Cucumbers become spears, chips and relish. It's a sight to behold. The air fills with the aroma of fresh cucumbers. Each cut serves a purpose. Spears for classic pickles, chips for snacking, relish for your burgers and hot dogs. So many delicious possibilities. Section 7. The pickling potion. A symphony of flavors. Now for the magic touch, the pickling process. This is where the cucumbers truly become pickles. Get ready for a flavor explosion. The cucumbers are submerged in a secret pickling brine. Vinegar, salt, spices, the perfect blend. It's a symphony of flavors. The cucumbers soak up the brine. They transform into tangy, crunchy delights. The aroma is intoxicating. It's enough to make your mouth water. Section 8. Jars and lids, the pickle packaging show. The pickles are ready for their close-up. It's time for packaging. Jars and lids at the ready. This is a well-orchestrated dance of machinery and efficiency. The pickles are carefully placed into jars. Brine is added to keep them fresh and flavorful. Lids are secured tightly. No air can get in. Labels are applied with a flourish. Each jar is a work of art. The pickles are ready for their journey to your plate. Section 9. The final test. Are you pickle perfect? Quality control is key. We want to ensure that every jar of pickles is perfect. Only the best will do. This is the final test. Inspectors examine each jar with a keen eye. They check for any imperfections. The pickles must be crunchy, flavorful, and visually appealing. Only the best jars make it through. The rest are rejected. We have high standards. We want you to enjoy the perfect pickle every time. Section 10. Pickles for everyone. Enjoy the crunchy goodness. Welcome to the world of pickles, where every bite is a burst of flavor and crunch. The pickles are ready for their grand finale. After a meticulous process of selection, brining and seasoning, these pickles are now perfectly packed and sealed. They're off to stores near you. From the factory floor to the shelves of your local grocery store, these pickles travel far and wide to reach you. Soon, they'll be on your table, ready to be enjoyed. Whether it's a family dinner, a picnic, or a quick snack, pickles add that extra zing to any occasion. Imagine the crunch as you bite into a pickle. That satisfying sound is just the beginning of a delightful experience. The tangy flavor explodes in your mouth. Each bite is a perfect balance of sour, salty, and a hint of sweetness, making it a treat for your taste buds. It's the perfect accompaniment to any meal. From sandwiches to burgers, salads to charcuterie boards, pickles elevate the flavors of any dish. From farm to jar, it's been an incredible journey. The journey starts in the fields where the freshest cucumbers are harvested with care. We've seen the passion, dedication and precision that goes into making every jar of pickles. Each step, from washing to brining, is done with utmost care to ensure the highest quality. So next time you enjoy a pickle, take a moment to appreciate the care and effort that went into creating this crunchy delight. It's not just a snack, it's a labor of love. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope this journey has given you a new appreciation for the humble pickle. We hope you've enjoyed the ride. From the farm to your table, every step is a testament to quality and flavor. Now go forth and enjoy some pickles. Share them with friends and family and savor the crunchy goodness in every bite.